Okay, I bought this Shark pet, specifically for pets. We have two black lab dogs that shed everywhere. I've had it since August, I think 16th. And at first I thought I kept doing something wrong, but as you can see, it picks nothing up. I've already vacuumed this area 3 times. I'm gonna go back and attempt to vacuum it again. And you have 2 options. You have floor, all right? That's supposed to be for a floor. As you can see, it does not pick up. Doesn't matter what you do. So then I can take it up. So that's in the floor version. So I thought, okay, maybe it's not powerful enough, and I'll knock it up to the carpet version, which is all the way straight down. Nothing. It does not pick anything up. Hopefully you could see that. So on top of it not working, you think you get, oh, maybe something, even if it's not dog hair, which, oh, by the way, it's supposed to be a pet. It just will turn around, and once you pick up the thing, it spits everything right back out. I have no idea how they can advertise this product. It also has a design flaw in it, in the actual nozzle when you take off the Beta bar. And, oh no, it's actually when you try and empty the canister, it has a hook in it, a little U-turn where the stuff, and it completely clogs with dog hair every time you use it. So you're constantly, and it's something you have to use your finger for, or your hand, or a tool, which is the total opposite of the advertisement. So, the only thing I can tell you is absolutely do not waste your time, do not waste your money, and if you do, make sure you do it within the return window, which I have missed because this is October, and I've finally gotten down to identifying that it truly is something wrong, that it's a poor design, and it's just not good. So, good luck to you.
This review is for whichever Shark model this is. Cordless. Doesn't have a model number anywhere that I can find, so I can't tell exactly which one it is. But I will tell you it's the worst vacuum cleaner I've ever used. And I'll tell you why. The problem is right here. If you look down in here, the dirt has to travel, through there and then up into the canister. Well, right here, it gets super clogged up with dirt. Okay? And I'm not talking about big, thick, heavy, wet dirt. I'm just talking about your normal, everyday cat hair, dog hair, maybe a little bit of tracked in, see a couple of leaves that were tracked in. But every few seconds, you gotta stop, flip it over, pull out all the junk. Plus the canister's not very big, so it doesn't hold very much garbage. But of course, it's not really meant to be a household cleaner, but I hate this thing. Here's the front side of it. Shark. And I really wish I had never bought this piece of junk, because it cost about a couple $100 or something like that. And it is absolutely the worst vacuum cleaner I have ever used, and I'm hoping I can still return it even though I've used it a little bit. The packaging is so complicated, I'm not even sure I can get it back in the package. Do not buy this shark unless you are picking up, I don't know, dust or something like that in a 1 foot square area. Horrible, horrible design. Whoever designed this little entrance right here and then gave you almost no access to it without having to pull out these three little screws here, really did a horrible job with this design. So that's my review. Absolutely cannot say enough about how much I hate this thing, and I'm desperately hoping to return it.
So I just bought this unit almost a month ago. It's going to be a month in 2 days from now. And it's been charging. As you can see, the outlet works. It's been charging for 24 hours. And that's the second time that I have to charge this and does not work. As you can see, charging for 24 hours. Then when I plug it in, I turned it off the device, plug it in. Those two lights keep doing this, and then it turns it off, and it does not charge. Literally almost 30 days that I've been using only, and already doesn't work. So I would buy something else. I called the manufacturer. They're going to replace this piece, but they do tell me that they only cover the battery for about 2 years. And if I used it for 30 days and already broke, imagine in 2 years. Probably not gonna last. So just buy anything else. I would say buy Shark. I had other Shark vacuums before, and the older versions were much better than this one.